WD-40 isn't just a spray, it's a secret weapon in every mechanic's toolbox. After 15 years working on cars, I can tell you most drivers only scratch the surface of what this versatile product can do. It loosens stuck bolts, stops squeaks, and protects metal. But mechanics know it can do far more, sometimes in ways that save time, money, and even prevent serious damage. In this video, I'm revealing the 13 WD-40 tricks mechanics never tell you about. From cleaning grime in impossible spots to preventing rust before it starts, and even using it to fix minor electrical issues. These are insider secrets most drivers will never learn unless they spend years under the hood. Hit subscribe to Care Xpert so you never miss a trick that can make your car maintenance smarter, easier, and safer. Let's start with the first hidden use. Number 1. Loosening rusted bolts. WD-40 penetrates rust and corrosion, making stuck bolts and nuts much easier to remove. Spray the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and gently tap with a wrench. Many people try brute force, which can strip threads or break bolts. A costly mistake. Mechanics use this trick daily, but drivers often overlook it. By softening rust before attempting removal, you preserve both fasteners and the surrounding components. And while this helps bolts, the next WD-40 trick saves your car from a completely different type of damage. Number 2. Preventing rust on tools and parts. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on tools, spare bolts, or exposed metal parts to prevent rust buildup. Moisture, road salt, and humidity eat away at metal quickly, especially in winter or coastal areas. Many drivers assume oil or grease is enough, but WD-40's water-displacing formula penetrates and protects surfaces better. Mechanics swear by keeping a small spray bottle in the toolbox to preserve tools and parts for years. Next, we'll reveal how WD-40 tackles an invisible problem that ruins car interiors. Number 3. Removing sticky residue. Chewing gum, stickers, tape, and labels often leave a stubborn, sticky mess. WD-40 dissolves adhesives without damaging most plastics or metals. Spray lightly, wait a few minutes, and wipe clean with a cloth. This trick isn't just for cosmetic purposes. Adhesive buildup in engine compartments or door seals can attract dirt and compromise components. Mechanics use it to clean engine bays, battery terminals, and even around weather stripping without harsh chemicals. The next trick, however, deals with a moving part that squeaks relentlessly if neglected. Number 4. Stopping door and hinge squeaks. Old or neglected door hinges, hood latches, and trunk hinges produce annoying squeaks. WD-40 lubricates these moving parts while displacing moisture that causes corrosion. Spray the hinge, work it back and forth, and the squeak disappears instantly. Many drivers rely on general oil or ignore the problem entirely, but mechanics know that regular hinge maintenance prevents wear and even metal deformation over time. And while this addresses noise, the next trick protects critical parts from seizing completely. Number 5. Freeing stuck locks. Frozen or corroded locks are common, especially in older cars or during winter. WD-40 penetrates the lock mechanism, lubricates moving pins, and repels moisture. Mechanics apply a few sprays, work the key gently, and the lock moves smoothly again. Without this, many drivers resort to brute force or locksmiths, risking broken keys or damaged locks. Keep a small can on hand for emergencies. Next, we'll see a trick that prevents a far more expensive headache. Number 6. Protecting electrical components. WD-40 repels moisture and prevents corrosion on electrical contacts, connectors, and terminals. Spray lightly on battery terminals or expose wiring to keep current flowing efficiently. Many drivers overlook this, but corrosion leads to starting issues, poor sensor performance, and even alternator failure. Mechanics often coat connectors on vintage cars or marine vehicles to extend electrical reliability. And speaking of corrosion, the next trick works directly on car exteriors. Number 7. Restoring chrome and metal trim. Dull, rusty, or oxidized chrome trim can be restored with WD-40. Apply a small amount on a clean cloth, rub the surface, and watch tarnish fade. Unlike harsh polishes, WD-40 removes grime without scratching. Mechanics often use this trick on bumpers, exhaust tips, and badges to save money on replacements. But it's not just cosmetic. The next trick deals with emergency maintenance under the hood. Number 8. Loosening stuck spark plugs. Spark plugs stuck from heat or corrosion can break if removed forcefully. WD-40 penetrates around the threads, making extraction smoother and safer. Mechanics spray lightly, allow a few minutes for penetration, and then remove plugs carefully. This prevents damage to the cylinder head and saves hundreds in repairs. While this protects the engine, the next trick helps maintain fluids and prevent leaks. Number 9. Protecting rubber seals and weather stripping. Rubber seals around doors, windows, and trunks can dry, crack, or freeze. WD-40 keeps seals pliable, repels water, and prevents sticking in winter. Mechanics often apply a thin layer after washing or during seasonal maintenance. This trick prolongs seal life, prevents leaks, and reduces noise. But WD-40's utility doesn't stop with seals. It also tackles stubborn grime elsewhere. Number 10. Cleaning grease and grime. From tools, mechanics often use WD-40 to clean tools covered in grease, oil, or tar. Spray, wipe, and grime dissolves effortlessly without harsh solvents. Maintaining clean tools improves precision and reduces contamination when working on sensitive engine parts. Many drivers never consider their tools need maintenance too, but ignoring this increases wear and corrosion over time. The next trick is surprisingly simple, yet highly effective. Number 11. Removing bugs and road tar. Bugs splatter tar, and tree sap stick to paint and grills. WD-40 breaks down these contaminants safely without scratching surfaces. Mechanics spray lightly, wait a minute, and wipe off residues easily. This prevents paint damage, preserves the car's finish, and saves hours of scrubbing. And while exterior cleanup is helpful, the next trick works in emergency situations. Number 12. Preventing snow and ice buildup. Spray door seals, locks, and wiper blades with WD-40 in winter to prevent ice from sticking. This simple trick reduces frozen doors, stuck wipers, and emergency lockouts. Mechanics in cold regions swear by it. It's far cheaper and faster than scraping or de-icing repeatedly. Proper seasonal prep protects both vehicle and driver. And the final trick is one of the most unexpected uses. Number 13. Emergency lubrication of hinges and moving parts. WD-40 is a quick fix for squeaky belts, frozen pedals, or stiff hood latches during emergencies. Mechanics use it when conventional lubrication isn't immediately available. Knowing it temporarily solves problems until proper maintenance is possible. Its versatility makes it a must-have in garages, toolboxes, and glove compartments. Small strategic sprays can prevent major repairs if used correctly. WD-40 is far more than a simple rust remover or lubricant. The 13 tricks we covered today reveal why mechanics consider it indispensable, from preventing corrosion, restoring shine, and protecting electrical components to freeing stuck parts and solving emergencies instantly. Most drivers underutilize this product, losing out on both time and money while accelerating wear on their vehicles. If this video taught you something, hit like, because WD-40's potential is largely hidden from everyday drivers. Subscribe to Care Xpert, use WD-40 smartly, maintain your car with insider knowledge, and you'll extend the life of your tools, components, and vehicle while avoiding preventable headaches on the road.